In January 2018, NAATI launched the first stage of a new online services portal called MyNAATI. In this short video, we will cover how NAATI certified translators or interpreters can register for a MyNAATI account, what should happen when you log in for the first time, and how to edit your listing on the online directory. This is the MyNAATI homepage. Once you have registered an account, you can log in using your email and nominated password. The sign-in page also features a reset password button if you have ever forgotten your password. If you do not already have a MyNAATI account, you will need to register one using this link. Once you get to this registration page, you will need to use your customer number and email address to register for an account. Your customer number is different to your practitioner ID and is used by NAATI to track any applications or interactions that you have with us. You can find your customer number by checking any automated system emails that you may have received from NAATI. If you cannot locate any of these emails or are having trouble locating the customer number itself, you can call or email a NAATI office to find out your number. If you have successfully transitioned from the old accreditation system, your customer number will be your former NAATI number. So for example, I'll use this 5-digit NAATI number. When you register for MyNAATI, you must use the same email address you gave NAATI when you made your last application. If you try and register an account with a different email address, it will not work. If you need to change your primary email address with NAATI in order to register an account, please call or email one of our offices. Once you have filled in your customer number and email address, you will need to fill out the reCAPTCHA tool below. NAATI uses these reCAPTCHA tools on its online services in order to protect our systems from malicious attack. Once you have filled in all the details, click the Submit button. If you have successfully registered, you will see this exact screen. You will now need to check your email for your temporary password. So you can see here, this is the email that you will receive with your temporary password. If you choose to copy and paste your password, please ensure that you do not add any additional spaces when you're copying the text. If we click to return onto the logon page, I can now log on normally using my email address. On your first successful login, you will be asked to change your password. Please ensure that you choose something that you will remember. Once your password has been changed, you will be able to go through to the MyNAATI homepage. This is the MyNAATI homepage. The functions and sections that you see on this homepage change depending on your relationship with NAATI. This is the standard homepage someone with current credentials will see. The first section that we will look at on this video is the My Credentials section. you can use the My Credentials section to check on the status of any credentials that you have been issued. As you can see here, it lists the start date of your credential, the expiry date of the credential, whether the credential is active, and whether it is included in the online directory. If you do not wish to be listed in the online directory, all you have to do is toggle this switch off. You can do this with each individual credential. If you wish to be listed on the directory, all you have to do is make sure that this toggle switch is set to on. You can also use this icon to re-download your certification letter and electronic certificate for free at any time. The other section that we will look at is the Update My Details section. You can use the My Personal Details section to update your contact information directly in NAATI systems, as well as the information that gets displayed on the online directory. By default, only your state will show on the online directory until you have logged into MyNAATI for the first time and updated your contact details. In the example here, these are the default details that have been generated by NAATI systems. If I wanted to show any of these details on the online directory, all I would have to do is click the Edit button here, check that that number is correct. If it is my preferred phone number to be contacted on, I make sure the box is ticked. If I also want this phone number shown on the online directory, all I have to do is mark this box here. Again, for an email address, it's a similar thing. If I want it shown, all I have to do is mark the tick box. If I wanted to show a different address to what is listed here, all I would need to do is click the Add button. I type in my address and mark that I want it shown in the online directory. I then click OK, and now I can see that I have a separate address. As we continue to make improvements to the MyNAATI portal throughout 2018, you will see more functions and application forms added to this online portal. Thank you for watching.